Alright, sound check. I got check. Sound, that's good. Alright, 2008-2009 Upper Deck SPX. This is the box that ended on December the 8th on eBay. The last team that entered was Winnipeg Jets. They ended between 7:45 and 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the box that had the messed up serial number. I had listed in the eBay listing the serial number for December 3rd. I did the same thing with the limited one by accident. This is not the proper serial number, 56509-318. If you do want to check, you can go onto my eBay, my RYDLAR99.com website. You can scroll on down, and it's actually on the next page because this is an older one. You can see that this box indeed was already opened on December 3rd. December 3rd. Same thing with the limited one that was messed up as well. So, that's at RYDLAR99.com if you want to check any of that stuff out. So, again, my apologies. The box that was supposed to run was ending in 322, I believe. Let me just pull up my own screen here. Yeah, 56509-322 was the box that was supposed to run. That was also blasted out to you guys yesterday morning on the 9th. So I'm not changing any of those serial numbers, of course. We're just going to run the ones I sent you on the 9th. This is as it was the one that was supposed to be going. Current eBay time is 9:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 10th. So I've given everybody about a day and a half to back out. Anybody who wants to. The only person who's asked to be removed is the person who had the New York Islanders for this box. Limited was full go ahead, and the rest of the teams were full go ahead for SPX. So I want to show you guys really quickly. I am live on Breakers TV right now. As you can see, there was no sound for the limited box. That's why I said the sound check before. And we're good to go. So let's do it. I'll switch over to the webcam. I'll show you the serial number is indeed ending in 322. The one I blasted out in the messaging before. 56509-322. You ever just have one of those days? That was yesterday. It seems to be carrying over for today. It's all good. Almost 1,000 boxes on eBay. I've had very few days like that. Let's put it that way. Alright, slide those guys right there. Base cards do not ship out of SPX, but I also wanted to invite you guys. I will be doing some Black Diamond case breaks on release day. That'll be Thursday. I have not posted them on my website yet, but they will be up there shortly. 1, 2 base. This is a old school decoy. 3, 4 base. The SPX cards are nice and shiny. SPX excitement for the Dallas Stars, Mike Modano, man who I met a month and a half ago, out of $9.99. They put the hit after it. Ah, nice. Spectrum SP excitement for the Minnesota Wild out of 99. 99. Gabrick. Show you the focus kicking. Nice and shiny. It's hard to do sometimes. Gabrick number 26 out of 99. SPX rookies for the Dallas Stars, Garrett Stafford. Garrett Stafford out of 499, non-auto variation. 283 out of 499. These cards stick together as the gloss and they're getting older. Winning materials for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Pittsburgh Penguins, Ryan Malone. Or Lightning, sorry. Lightning. My mistake. Tampa Bay Lightning. Pittsburgh on his jersey, but it is Lightning. This card. Ryan Malone. And they actually do write Lightning on the front. All base. Usually about 8 hits out of a box of SPX, I think. All base. Again, all base. Usually hits the second card. There's going to be one. Usually. I got something coming up. Winning combos for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Lanny McDonald and Rick Vive. Neat. Winning combos for the Leafs. Lanny McDonald. Come on, focus. Rick Vive. Both represented by the Leafs. All base that last pack. Still looking for our auto jersey. And there's a jersey for the Dallas Stars out of $12.99. SPX rookies Mark Fistrick. Fistrick for the Stars out of $12.99. Former Oiler as well. The Dallas Stars there. Dallas and Minnesota doing well. SPX autograph rookies, not bad, not bad. Out of $9.99, TJ Oshie autograph rookie for the St. Louis Blues. Rookie jersey, that is. Not too shabby. SPX excitement out of $9.99, Bobby Clark for the Philadelphia Flyers. 09 had some decent rookies. It's Stammer, Oshie, Ofoso. And all base in the last pack. So that's it for the break. Again, I want to apologize for the serial number mix-up that we had. And invite you guys to my future breaks. If you guys ever want to find my eBay box breaks to figure out which ones I have running on eBay, I'm going to flip over the screen cap really quick to show you guys that. You just go right here. Open breaks, tonight's eBay box breaks. Boom, it takes you straight to my eBay store just with the breaks. So you can see I have Elite going tonight and a few others. So and they're all in alphabetical order by team. Alright guys, have a good one.